Y'all, this tastes like plastic worms. Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we are going to unbox the May Boxy Charm. It seems like everyone's was pretty similar this month, so sorry if you've already seen 100 of these, but maybe you'll watch mine, maybe something will be different than someone else's. This month's theme was a Boxy Bash, and always, the back of the card tells us a little bit about the products that we received. All right, so the first item I see on top is a palette, and this is from PUR. I actually really like the palettes we've received from them in the past. Ooh. So this looks like it is a bronzing and highlighting palette, which I can always use some bronzing in my life because Lord, this is a round face. All right, so that is the light color. Now let's do the dark color. So there is a swatch of the two bronzers. While I think the darker one may be a little too dark for my skin tone, I love that this palette included a darker skin tone because it's a little more inclusive to a variety of skin tones. With any contour, you can certainly put it on lighter or heavier. I always start lightly, blending it out, and then I can add more if I want. If you go in too thick too fast, you're gonna have a dark streak and then it's a nightmare to blend out. FYI. All right, so now let's check out these two highlighters. Here are the two highlighters. The lighter one would probably be better for my skin tone currently, but I'm hoping I can get a little bit of a tan this summer and use this gold one. I'd love to be a golden goddess, but I'm pretty pale. The next product I have is from Cover FX because I've said that 100 times and I can't get it right, but Cover FX, and this is a blurring primer, and let's give it a shot. It does come with a little safety seal. We are going to pop that because I'm very interested in this. I have too many swatches. Hold on. If y'all didn't know, if you put a little alcohol on a makeup pad, it takes off any makeup beautifully. FYI, if you didn't know that little trick. Okay, so this primer is pretty darn thick. As you can see, it doesn't like squirt out. It looks a little bit like Benefit's Professionals. Kind of feels like it too. It feels very soft and smooth. It doesn't have any greasy feeling to it, and it doesn't feel like it's moving around on my hand. So that is an excellent sign for me because I have very greasy skin. I cannot wait to try this out. So it looks like we have another collaboration lipstick this month. We had a collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics and Ipsy in our Ipsy versus Ipsy video. And now we have a Boxy Charm collaboration with Beauty Creations. And this color is called Sweetheart. Ooh, I really like this color. I love when they do a neutral color that is very wearable. Yeah, we all like a fun, bright color. It's a little shocking, but not for like everyday use. We're gonna have to go ahead and pop this bad boy on so I can see what it looks like. Y'all, this tastes like plastic worms. You guys remember those like little plastic worms that you would put like on a fishing lure? Well, as a kid, I was like obsessed with those things. So every time we'd go to Walmart or the hardware store, my dad would buy me a few of those little worms. And this tastes like those little worms. Yes, I did put those little plastic worms in my mouth all the time. I was a weird kid. Still a little weird. But this tastes like those plastic worms. So that's a little strange, but it gives me a little nostalgia. It says that it is a long wear matte lip gloss. It's definitely a liquid lipstick, not a gloss. I don't understand why products do that. Don't call it a gloss if it's not a gloss. It's matte. Mattes aren't glossy, are they? I mean, they kind of contradict each other. Matte or gloss, matte or gloss. Pick one. But anyway, I do love this color. I think it's very pretty. I do think it's swatched a little darker on my hand than it is showing up on my lips. It's not that dramatic. It's definitely a great daily wear color though. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. So the next item is this very cute vintage jar. And this is a liquid eyeliner. Yes, it is a liquid eyeliner by Pretty Vulgar. I can totally appreciate how beautiful this glass jar is. And it's got this little feather detail. This is all metal. This is not a sticker. I love this. I do not have a lot of experience using a gel liner like this, but I'm excited to try it. And luckily, they provided us with brushes. So we have this nice large brush. This brush is okay. It would be good for powders. I don't know. It's okay. But we have an angled eyeliner brush. Looks like we have a very skinny eyeliner brush. And then we also have a spoolie. Why do we need a spoolie? I don't think you're going to want to put black liner in your eyebrow. Would you? Maybe in case you get it on your lashes. Oh my God, y'all, I can't talk. Maybe in case you get it on your lashes, you can smear it out. Or maybe you can actually use this as mascara too. I have no idea. I'm very interested. I'm going to have to read about this. So if you're not familiar with Boxy Charm is $21 a month, and it is a great value because I'm sure we have over $100 worth of products here, but let's find out. This sculpting palette from PUR retails for $30. This blurring primer, it retails for $38, and this is a full size. Oh my gosh, y'all. They way overcharge on brushes. These brushes are from AESTHETICA, and this 3-piece set is $45. $45 for 3 little brushes. But hopefully they work like a dream. This face brush is also from AESTHETICA, and it retails for $27. Wow, for $27, I better learn to love it. This Beauty Creations lipstick retails for $10. And this ink gel eyeliner retails for $24. So the total value of this box was $136. That's amazing. This is why Boxy Charm is my favorite beauty subscription box, because you get so much for your money. Again, this month, every single product was full size, which I love that. If you guys don't already have the subscription and you're interested in joining Boxy Charm, I will leave a link below for you guys. I'd love to hear if you guys got something different than I did in my box this month, because sometimes Boxy Charm boxes are pretty much all the same, or there could be a large variation in the boxes. So leave a comment below if you got something really cool that I didn't get in my box. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd love for you to join the Glamslam family. And until next time, bye y'all.